Hey, it's Jeff from Home Renovation. You know, it's one of the most amazing things that happens in construction, renovation homes, is people start cutting corners. They're always looking for ways to make things easier or faster. But you know, the truth is, when you're working on your house, you've just got to take the time to do every step right, or you're going to end up paying the price for it. Like if you try to do something fast or simple or change the order of production, you know, new house construction is famous for this. They love to do a lot of caulking work right at the very end of the entire job. So they have a company come in and they're actually the caulking guys. And they'll come in and they'll caulk all the windows and baseboards and do all the silicone work. And when you get your house and walk through the first time, it's, oh, everything is so pretty. There's no shadows, there's no gaps, there's no cracks. But because they do it all at the end, the caulking dries out and cracks every time. And it goes beige and brown and it's just a nasty mess. So we're doing a live show. And somebody calls in asking me, you know, how come my caulking is always cracking? What are you using? And I had to tell them the straight up answer is, you're doing it out of order. So check out the video and we'll see you in a minute. Why do I use white DAP in your videos? I have tried using it and it turns yellow and cracks to hell. Yes, but I don't do it as the finish application. I always use my DAP and then I paint over it. So caulking is not designed to be applied as a final solution to your carpentry and paint errors. You really want to use caulking as part of your assembly before you paint. All right, so if you follow my advice, you would use the caulking and then you would paint and then it would never crack. That's the secret. Now, the truth of it is, guys, there's more than one way to do just about everything, but some things, they just don't qualify as an alternative. Using caulking before you paint really means you just have to paint all over again. So if you're going to do something, you know, take the time, learn the right process. Like for instance, right here, if I don't prime that brown paper with my oil base kills, that mud is going to cause that brown paper to blister. And then I'm going to be right back to the same place I was when I started repairing it today. So why waste your time? Find out how to do things right and don't waste your time. That's the moral of the story today. If you want to learn a lot more about some of the most common questions we've ever got, make sure before you click the link, you hit the like button on the video so that YouTube will share this with other people and save them a lot of aggravation too. Cheers till next time.